Curtis.
Yes.
What are the three main pillars of trading again?
Okay, so firstly it's obviously technical analysis. Then we have our psychological analysis, which is more like you personally. And then we have fundamental analysis, that is your news and basically keeping up with the pair. Why did you ask though?
We got a collab offer from Fastbull. They seem to be an informational hub for traders.
Hi! What's up?
What's up, guys? Welcome to another
Capital Bros YouTube video. I'm
Yes.
Curtis Bodies.
And I'm Dan Pfeffer.
And let's get into it. So today we're going over Fastbull, which is a fundamental website for getting information with regards to Forex.
You see, you have your three main pillars of trading if you are a serious trader,
Yeah.
which is your fundamental
Mental,
side, your technical
ana-
analysis, and
and
your
your
psychological analysis. Yes.
So we'll go over both. We'll go over the app and we'll go over the web application, which is going to be very fast. We'll just go over like the application, run through it, what you can do, what the features are, and more or less you'll see in today's video. So yeah. So I
The
think
app and the website.
yeah. So I think subscribe and let's get into it. So
Yeah.
I think we'll go over the web app first, since not a lot of people will use the web app and more people use the app,
Yes,
the
yeah.
actual app. So let's get into it.
Alright.
So
This is the app. This is the
home screen,
website.
yeah.
This is home screen. Macron. Okay, so obviously they're giving us daily economic news.
24/7 economic news with regards to all the different pairs.
Traders.
Yeah.
Signals.
So signals.
Yeah.
We have the products tab, we have market, we have news. So
The
product
products,
just
you have your charts, which are free forever. It specifies that. Your chat, your screen is, so I assume you
This is
chat
just
to
your-
your traders,
to your
your
traders,
analysis. Okay. You have your tools here.
This is more like to go in junction with your normal trading. So obviously if you have a strategy, you have your technical analysis. So using Fastbull is more of like another opinion to add on to your existing strategy. So if you have a buy, you can come to Fastbull and obviously use this as another reference to like fuel your, like if you're going to go with a specific pair, use Fastbull to fuel that decision or influence you if you're already using that. So just it's another
It's
indicator.
a hub. It's an
a hub, yeah.
informational hub. This is where you come for your fundamentals, basically. Go Macron. Never say his name. I must say like.
So here's just the news tab basically of articles. You can see it's updated like 9 minutes, 59 minutes, 2 hours ago. So it's up to date news as we speak.
Oh, you see, you have analysis from your institutions, and you have analysis from your
Traders,
From traders, basically. News labels, European Central Bank. I see what this is. Okay, so these are the top traders on Fastbull. So I'm guessing they have the analysts here. Okay, so they give their win rates as well. Yes, as we know, guys, trading is never 100% sure.
Yeah.
You are never 100% guaranteed a win or loss.
But more or less, this is just information. You can obviously spend more time and go through all these hubs on a more in-depth feature. We're just briefly running over it now.
It's a review.
It's a review, yeah.
It's a review. Quick
Okay.
review. Yes.
So I think awards, and then we have like fan party and seminars and more or less like
Ooh, they have a brokers tab.
So I think they might like give a list of top brokers to use also. Because there's broker review. Okay, so they have a tab where they review different brokers. Obviously there's like not South African. I've saw FX Pro in the past. IC Markets Global, which I
IC
think.
Markets.
So this is also good if you're not gonna plan on using HFM like we use, and if you're looking at another broker, this is a cool hub to check which brokers are the best out there from Fastbull's point of view. So yeah.
All in all, this is a really good hub to use, for your fundamentals. Fundamentals.
Fundamentals,
sorry.
yeah.
But if you're not with your PC 24/7 and you can't be on the website 24/7,
Like most of us.
they do have an app.
Yeah, so what we just saw over here, I think the app has it better organized, because looking at this, it seems
It's
a little
quite
bit
daunting.
It's daunting, yeah.
It is quite daunting.
So we'll
However, the app condenses it all for you.
Faster, better, and more convenient. So let's get it. So as you can see, so this is basically the app. It has like tabs at the bottom, which is straightforward: news, quotes, calendar, signals. And I don't think people, if you want to go into the pro, but we'll only look at the 4 tabs basically. So
Look at the
news,
stuff that are free.
yeah. So news is basically what we just saw. more condensed, more easier to read. So if you from this point, if you have HFM and you want to see more fundamentals, go to Fastbull, go to news, and there you go. So you basically can scroll quickly from this point of view. And I think there was one from 9 minutes ago. There's one 2 minutes ago. So you can see there's news. So signals, I think like we mentioned, I think we did show it on this side.
Yeah.
So signals basically the analyst, their prediction of their type of trade you can follow. So if you need another, like we said, another influence or like more backbone for your trade, you can come to this signals. And if you, like example, if Diane wanted to trade the gold, we can look at this person's or like analytic or technical analysis from their point of view. So they give like a in-depth reason, and then you can read this for yourself and why they are taking a buy.
Their analysis are really good, but it should never persuade you on your type of trading.
Yeah.
You are just looking for this maybe for as a confirmation if you're doing this wrong, if you're doing this right. But stick to your gut as a trader.
Stick to your trading plan, basically.
Yes.
Yeah.
But it doesn't hurt to go and find out more.
Okay, so that we have the signal calendar. I think this is more of what's going around, the upcoming events in the Forex exchange, and you can see what's coming up. This is already paused. So I think from this point on, tonight at 9:15, we have the United Nations, European Nations, the ECB. Yeah. Basically, this is a more article of what's coming up, so you can read up more on this. So this is literally all your fundamental news with regards to Forex. Quotes, basically just your pairs. Like, you don't need to look at this inside Fastbull. You can look at this inside your broker you'll be using, but this is basically the same as of your broker. It just give you the up and down, the percentage difference in the past day or two or week, depending on the time frame. And that's basically Fastbull.
Thank you for joining us in today's video.
We are Capital Bros, and we will spot you in the next one, guys.
Peace out.
Peace.